Test 1, Section 3, Question 19. The question here has given us this figure and it reads like, the pyramid shown above has altitude h and a square base of side m. The four edges that meet at V, the vertex of the pyramid, each have length e. If e equals m, then what is the value of h in terms of m? Answer choice A is m by root 2. Answer choice B is m root 3 over 2. Answer choice C is m. Answer choice D is 2m over root 3. Answer choice E is m root 2. To solve this question, let's first make a line here so that we have a plane area with us to work out things. Right, so on the right hand side we can make the equations and solve this question. So let's try and work this out. Question number 19, supposed to be a difficult question, may take a bit of time, but let's really see if it works, really takes time or not. Now what we are given is the pyramid shown above has an altitude of h and a square base of side m. The four edges that meet each have a length of e. So if this is e, then we have even this as e, even this length is e, and the last length there is also e. And we are given e equals m, so we can say either they are all m or they are all e's. Now the question is, what is the value of h in terms of m? We have h here, which is at the center of the base of this square, and we need to find out this height, which is h altitude. To answer this, let's complete this triangle here. Let's make this triangle, which would be a right angle triangle, and this length would be half the diagonal length of the square. So let's find out what is the diagonal length of a square that we have. Okay, for a square, if let's say we have the lengths of the square as a and a, then the diagonal length, if you remember from the introduction video of special right angle triangles, it comes out to be a root 2. In this case we are given that this is m, this is m, then the diagonal length here would be m root 2. So we have this length as m root 2, the total length, but this is half, so it becomes m root 2 over a 2. Now let's name these things. We already have a v there, we have an h here, and let's say we call it c. Now we have the triangle, in triangle VHC, it is a right angle triangle. We apply the Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, we would have VH squared plus CH squared equals to VC squared, because that's the hypotenuse here. VH is just the length h squared. CH is, we just calculated, m root 2 over 2 whole squared. VC is given as e squared, and we already know that e equals m, so we can simplify this. We get h squared equals m squared minus m squared 2 times of that over 4, which can be further simplified as m squared minus m square by 2, or we get h squared equals m square by 2. We need to calculate h, which if we take it under the root on both the sides, we get m over root 2. H becomes an m over root 2, so that is our answer, which matches with answer choice A. That is the correct answer. Keeping in mind the basic rules would always help you out to solve even a difficult question or a bad looking question. So please revise your basics. In case you have not looked at the introduction videos, please make sure that you look at the introduction videos to bring up your concepts really well.